Hello everybody, today we are going just to show how to explain what does it mean the multi-agent system, because I got a lot of emails and in forums for example, and I found people they are asking from questions about those things. Okay, for that today we are going just to give a brief introduction of multi-agent system, its component, for what it's used, and what does it mean multi-agent system. Okay, multi-agent system is a group of agents which they are working in two views, collaboration or independently. Okay, here we can, for example, see a multi-agent system which is represents in the Microsoft Word, and multi-agent system in events plan construction using PDDL. Here there is a small introduction. For example, here you can see representation about this. It's like a kind of dissertation that I'm writing it right now also. You can find some examples, option features, and another things which they are they can be in multi-agent systems. And as I said before, that multi-agency group of agents which they are working in collaboration or independently. In collaboration, it means that the agent will act, for example, when it's getting results of another agent. For example, let's say that we have three agents, and the second agent will not work till the first will give results. Okay, here we can see this schema or diagram which represents also the multi-agent system, and it's divided into how to say, two views or two fields: terminal application and web service via HTTP protocol. Terminal application is can represented by computer, robot, etc. etc. A lot of terminals, and others can be in web browsing and like that. So, and even the terminal application is divided into two views. The first is static view, and the second is dynamic view. The static view is simply it can be from the user, and here user it can use some funny how to say, funny input as a keyboard or microphone, represented by voice and other things. Here you see, for example, we have some optional fields which are represented by parser and security system, which represents with fingerprint, a eye scanner or corbat scanner. Okay, and those I don't we don't have to focus on, because another things are optional. Okay, the user, the purpose is so simple: is the user to send events, and there is an engine which represents, or in class agent engine, which this class it creates what it creates an agent when it's getting what a parameter or event from the user. That's why it's showing like every parameter sent to the agent, it has to create an agent which will make or executes some tasks. Every agent has a mission, and this mission is based on parameters. It can be from environment or from user. Okay, in all cases it's from user, and the users can be divided into parts: the user with the input as keyboard and microphone, or through an environment which they will play this rule. Okay, this again. Okay, and after that, the agent, when it will receive for parameters, it has to make some actions. The actions, it depends on, for example, on what you are intending from it to do. For example, let's say, for example, I have a files on my computer, and I want to execute some tasks when I'm speaking through the microphone to the computer. I want to open, for example, Microsoft Word, or for example, Notepad, or for example, Eclipse or Excel, and blah blah blah. Okay, when I'm going to speak, the user will use voice as input staff or input. Yes, as an input, okay, input stream, and after that, the agent will receive parameters from the voice. But between the agent and voice, for sure, there is, for example, some engine which will convert the voice to speech, and after to pass it as a parameter, the agent will make its mission in good way. Okay, for that we are going just to make some experiment using how to use, for example, a microphone for the user, speaking through the microphone and getting voice, converts the voice to the speech using engine which is represents in from Sun microsystem, and it's called Sphinx. I have the version for dot one, I think. Okay, yes. And after that, this Phoenix will convert my voice to a speech and pass it as a string. The string is gonna be sent as a parameter to the agent. The agent will create a task and will execute something. Okay, now we are going to show that to make some experiments that I have prepared. Okay, for that we need some tools such as here Eclipse. You see Eclipse, and I have Eclipse Luna, and it's so nice. Okay, I'm working with it. It's really so how to say suitable for me. I have no problems with it. And Luna, by okay, between brackets, it has a lot of features as Maven and the Gradle and all those things. Here you can find, for example, that my project is divided into there's source, there's GRE, and there's Phoenix. Phoenix here, all the packages I imported them as a jar, external jar files, and are automatically integrated in my project. Here, the source we have I have created file Java files. Yes, here for example we have four Java files, and we are going to focus on what on Hello World as the main class there, and yes, the main class. You see, for example, here you can find all the code, and here we are going to make experiments just to speak through our microphone. Okay, let's start. Run it now. Waiting for 2 seconds like that. 3. Now speak. Outlook. Well, you see, the Outlook is open. It means that the agent is acting. Yes, but how it's acting, I will show you now. Okay, the purpose is so easy to understand. Here I said Outlook through my microphone, and my program I made small instructions with will convert. Phoenix is responsible to convert my voice Outlook to Outlook as a string, and I will trim all those. Then I will search the path of this file inside my computer. You see as a string here, and I will focus just on files which they have the exe extension in both sides. I mean uppercase or lowercase. Okay, and after that we'll return the path, and the agent I will create yes a process builder, or yes a process, and the exec start it, and when I will start it, okay, the simply the application will be opened. Okay, let's make another experiment to say okay to pass another words. I was happy to have to wait just 3 seconds like that for okay. Outlook Excel. Okay, I said Outlook first. Yep. And okay, Excel. I'm waiting for Excel. Here I said to through my microphone, or I pass through my phone some events or some parameters which they are represents in two names of files inside my computer, Outlook and Excel, and the same purpose also. Okay, I will search the path and return it, create a process builder, and after I start it, and the program is gonna be opened, and that's all. It's so funny. Okay, let's add another experiment, the last one I think. So nice, Phoenix really. It's for free, open source, you can download it. WinRR. WinRR is opened also. It means that Phoenix is recognizing what I'm saying to the computer through my voice, through my microphone. Then it's getting all those and converts them in good way and pass them or as parse them or yes, I don't know. Okay, just one thing. In Phoenix inside there is translator, there is parse, there is grammar value also. There are a lot of things. Then I'm not surprised about that. Inside it you can find, for example, grammar value which represents in words which are using in dictionaries and all blah blah blah. And Phoenix is supported many languages. By many languages we can find even French, Russian, and other languages which are represented. That's what I was speaking about. You see, for example, Phoenix is working good, and I gave a small view or the view, I wish that is shown and it's clear now that multi-agents is the agent or the system which is working in both sides, getting parameters, execute, sharing tasks between agents, and and the agent will make his mission in good way. Okay, here you see, for example, the second view, which is represented by robot. Yes, this is what I'm looking for, really. It's focused so nice. The robot which is getting what? Getting events from the environment through what? Listening to the environment through its sensors, and will get events. The events gonna be from outside, and this is gonna be automatically. Me, I don't know. After that, the robot will send events to the agent engine, which represents in class also, as I said. Okay, after that, the agent will create what? An agent which will respond on what? On the robot asking. He send events to get results. He send events to the agent. Agent will create, gonna be created by the engine, and after that we'll do some tasks, and after that we send results back to the robot, and that's all. Maybe it's gonna be shown on screen. Maybe it's gonna be action. It's like that. Okay, let's give an example. For example, here, let's say the robot is plugged inside a car. Okay, we have a car. Okay, the environment it's outside the car. Okay, we have, for example, here. Let's say that the robot got some information. Got through its sensors information about the weather. That the weather is hot. Oh my God. Okay, the robot will send us events to the agent engine. The agent engine has action. The action will say, for example, the weather is so hot outside. Then what I have to do? Okay, predicates is the weather is hot. Then what? The action is close the car's windows and switch on the air conditioner. Okay, this is so nice. Yes, okay, that's good. Good action. Then make it. Okay, the agent will make it and die again. Okay, the second, for example, let's say that the events that the robot got to, for example, weather is raining, it rains. The agent creates agent engine will create agent. Of course, predicate here in our case is it's raining. The action is why close the windows, man, or switch on the glass cleaner. It's like that. Okay, let's say, for example, yeah, the weather or not the weather. For example, it's windy. Okay, the action is simple. The agent has to act in this case, and will close the windows, for example. Or okay, there's a lot of it. It's a kind of assistant inside the car, and all those things gonna be right. That's a small vision of multi-agent system that we are going to develop it. I wish that really you enjoyed watching this video with me, and if there is any question, please subscribe. The email is written down. Thank you a lot for watching. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye.